Accept more, expect less. In life, here's the thing that I learned a little late. Accept more, expect less. Accepting others no matter who they are, what they do, and where they prefer to be is something we can practically do for the world as Christians. Marami nang nanguhusga, online or offline. Bakit hindi natin sikapin na maging mapagkalingang kaibigan? Marami pa rin pala tayong hindi naintindihan sa mundo at isa yon sa kagandahan ng buhay. Kaya sa bawat kalituhan o misunderstanding sa ibang tao, bakit hindi natin sila subuking unawain? Tanggapin natin sila kahit sino man sila. Pagmamahal kaibigan, pagta- pagtanggap ang susi sa isang mapayapang buhay. Expect less, hindi natin maiwasang hindi magkaroon ng expectations sa iba at expectations sa sarili. Napakarami nating gustong mangyari at gustong makuha, pero paano kung hindi ito posible? Ito na yung oras na simulan nating unti-unting mag-expect ng banayad sa iba. Or minsan, wag na lang tayong mag-expect. Let it be, let them go, let them stay, no expectations. Minahal mo tapos hindi ka minahal? Ayos lang. Accept more, then expect less. Naging mabuti ka pero hindi ka pinakataan ng kabutihan? Accept more, then expect less. Pinakitaan mo ng generosity pero pinagdamutan ka sa huli? Accept more, expect less. Cliche as it seems, at the end of the day, we are all responsible for our own happiness. We are always challenged to be happy. We always have the opportunities to see goodness in others by accepting who they are and expecting less from them. Good night at mag-iingat kayo palagi. God bless.